You see a fine girl like this, you walk up to the girl and tell her, baby, do you know that the love I have for you is conditional? The girl will
First
begin
we
to
hear
laugh.
of this.
You mean you have conditional love for me?
You be mumu. You think say they
I'm
wise.
blushing.
You are a mumu
The
man.
girl is there. The girl don't have frequency. So the girl don't have frequency. Just let's talk about this conditional probability first. What is this conditional probability? It's just trying to tell us about chances of events occurring, given that another event has done what occurred. You get? So let us represent it using. Okay, let's read from the board. Conditional probability refers to the chances that some outcome occurs, given that another event has already occurred. So let's represent it using what? Event diagram. This event diagram, we have event A, we have what? Event B. So now you know that these two events they have intersection, which is what? A intercepts what? B. True or false? True. So these two events have intersection. Now event A have occurred, event B have done what? Occurred. Now in this conditional probability, they are now trying to tell us that probability of event A occurring, given that event B have already occurred, or probability of event A, the chances that event A occurred, given that event B have what? Already occurred, is equals to the probability of what? A intercept what? B, all over probability of what? B. Now what is this thing trying to tell us? You know that this probability of what? A is what? This place, and A and B have overlap here, which is what? Intersection. So probability of A given that B have already occurred is just telling us how much of A is in what? B. How much of this A is in B? How much of A is in B? CA, and is having something like this. CA. So how much of A is in B? CB. So for you to find how much of A that is in B is through this their intersection. This place they have overlap. Is through what? This their intersection. This place they have what? Overlap. So how much of A is in B simply means what? This their intersection. That's how we drove this word formula. So if you say like you can say probability of what? B occurring, given that event A have already occurred, is equal to, what is it now telling you? How much of B is in A? How much of what? B is in what?